here with Inspect It Like a Girl and the Fix It 101 podcast. We've got us a situation. We're going to talk today. What happens when stuff gets old? Like me, for instance. You got to be careful about the things that you plug into outlets so you don't end up with a situation like this. You want to kind of touch that wire. If that sucker's hot, you got a problem. Be careful about using a space heater. Right, Buddha? Aww. House fires can happen from using space heaters in old houses and old wiring. So I'm going to take this thing apart. We're going to see what kind of damage we had because we were very, very close to a house fire here. So our first order of business is to turn off the breaker. So I'm going to identify, it looks like it's number 8 is the front bedroom. So I'm going to go over and the numbers will be here on the side. 2, 4, 6, 8. Just flip the breaker off. Double check it, folks. You don't want to light yourself up. I've done that a few times and it hurts. That's scary. I decided after I had taken the cover off of that outlet that it would really be safer that I not use that outlet anymore and use the wiring that was going to that outlet. My house was built in 1958 and I'd rather be safe than sorry. Folks, you don't want to mess around with wiring. You can cause a fire. I've had friends who've had pretty catastrophic fires in their home, all because of old wiring, so be very, very careful. Hopefully we can help you with ideas and tasks that will help you keep the value of your home.